Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to match Square transactions in QuickBooks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the correct company file. Before proceeding, confirm which bank account receives your Square deposits, as you'll need this information during the matching process. Next, go to Accounting from left side and select Integration Transactions. From this section, select Square and click on Connect Free Integration. Authorize the connection and choose the appropriate import settings. Make sure you select the bank account where Square deposits are sent and assign a suitable expense account for Square processing fees. After completing the setup, allow the integration time to sync your Square activity. Once the sync is finished, navigate to the Bank Transactions section and open the bank account that receives your Square deposits. In the For Review tab, locate the Square deposits. When QuickBooks identifies a potential match, review the suggested transaction details before accepting it. Since a single Square deposit may contain multiple sales, refunds, and processing fees, you may need to use the Find Match option. Select the transactions that belong to the deposit and verify that the combined sales amount minus any fees or refunds equals the deposit amount shown in your bank feed. If you cannot find the correct transactions immediately, expand the date range and check again. Once you've confirmed that the amounts match correctly, complete the matching process and review the transaction to ensure everything is recorded accurately. And that's it! So that's basically how you can match Square transactions in QuickBooks. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.